Square circular numerical control cooling machine. Equipment configuration. 1 machining workpiece height 0.50 mm. 2 machining workpiece diameter. Workpiece diagonal is within 1350 mm. 3 thickness of processed product 0.61.2 million iron plate. 4 total power of equipment 19 kW. 5 equipment specification 2300 x 1500 x 2000 mm. 6 equipment weight 2.3 tons. 7 control mode manual automatic. 8 the machine is controlled by the numerical control system CNC and programmed by the computer. Different programs can be input to crimp various workpieces. 9 the precision screw rod and guide rail are driven by the servo motor, which improves the machining accuracy. The equipment adopts the precision planetary reducer. 10 this machine is composed of 3-axis servo motor, control system, hydraulic system, pneumatic device, transmission device, etc. 11 equipment power supply, 3-phase 4-wire 380 V. 12 equipment specification 2200 x 1500 x 2200 length, width and height. 13 in order to reduce the maintenance rate, the electrical cabinet and the host are installed separately. 14 it is equipped with multiple emergency stop buttons and leakage protection appliances. 15 note the above are design parameters. In case of any conflict with the real object, the real object shall prevail. This machine can change round and square clamps according to customer requirements to achieve different shapes of cooling work.
Okay.